In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 3MF to STL. If you work with 3D models, you've probably seen both formats. 3MF is a modern, compact file type used by many CAD tools and slicers, while STL is the classic, widely accepted format for printers, repair tools, and online services. The good news is you can switch from 3MF to STL using an online converter with no installation required. We'll use a simple flow that works the same on popular web tools like Aspo's 3D Converter or Image 2 STL. The process is straightforward. Upload your .3mf file, select .stl as the output format, start the conversion, and then download the finished STL. Let's walk through each part so you know exactly what to expect. First, upload your 3MF. On the converter page, look for a button labeled Upload. Choose File or something similar. Click it and browse to your .3mf on your computer, or drag and drop the file into the upload area if the site supports it. Make sure you pick the correct model, and keep an eye on any file size limits a site may list. Larger models might take longer to upload, so a stable internet connection helps. Once the file is attached, you'll typically see its name appear on the page. Next, select Get STL. Most online converters present a drop-down or a list of output formats. Choose STL as your target. If you see extra settings you're unsure about, the default options usually work well for general use, so you can leave them as they are. The goal here is just to switch formats, not to change the model. Now, convert. Click Convert, Start, or Process, depending on the site. The service will upload and process your model on their servers. This can take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on file complexity and size. Avoid refreshing or closing the tab while it runs. If you see a progress indicator, just let it complete. Finally, download the STL file. When the conversion finishes, you'll see a download button or a link. Click it and save the STL to a folder you can easily find, and consider renaming it so you know it's the converted version. As a quick check, open the STL in your slicer or a viewer to confirm the model looks correct. That's it. Upload the .3mf, select .stl, convert, and download. Using an online converter keeps things fast and install free, making format changes simple whenever you need them.